they're normally the ones that have been working. So they've gone out and found a good source of food. And they want to tell this, and they can communicate a source of food. So they can do something that most animals can't do. They can communicate distance and time. And they do that by doing a dance. And it's called the waggle dance. It's a sort of known language. So let's see if we can find a girl doing a dance. And the dance is a figure of 8. And they shake. And they waggle. Now if the food is close by, see right, this one here.
Yeah.
She's doing something very funny. She's not doing what she's meant to be doing. But the ones that have got food on them smell of food. So they say to their sisters, I have come back and I have found some food and I'm going to do a dance to tell you where it is. So the dance they do is the waggle dance, and the waggle dance is related to the sun. So when they come back, let's see if I can find it. When they come back, they're on the frame, and if the source of food, here's one. She's waggling, turning round, waggling again, turning round the other way, waggling again. And the waggle, if you notice the waggle, is in the same direction. If you just watch her, she's gone over here a bit, but there she's here. And she's waggling down in the same, the waggle is always in the same position. So, what does that mean? What that means is that she's waggling, she comes, waggles down, turns, waggles down, turns, waggles down. That means come out the hive, and she's waggling around about, not 180 degrees down, but it's about 150 degrees down. Find the sun, go 150 degrees to the right of the sun.
Bearing.
You get your bearing from where the sun is, go 150 degrees and fly in that direction. And the time that she's waggling, the length of time that she's waggling is the time to fly. So if she waggles for a second, fly for 1,000 meters. If she waggles for half a second, fly for 500 meters. And they fly. So she can tell direction and distance. Then so what she's doing that to recruit. So she dances and she wants to get other bees doing it, because there's a nectar source or a pollen source. It means that it's not going to last forever. We've got to get out there quick. So she comes out and she waggles, tries to get her sisters to come. Then they go. So from 1 gets maybe 2, 2 come back, waggle, they get 4, and then 4 turns into 8. It's exponential growth, and that means that the nectar source gets taken up very quickly. So it's a very efficient system.